I'm Nate from the band Microwave, and this is our song Dole, exclusively at Journeys. I'm the voice inside your head. I crawl back up into your bed. Somehow I made off with your key. Now I come when I please, and go where I wanna go. You were the only thing I like, and you've been with me all the time. Ooh. So while you're somewhere out with your friends, I'm back here blowing up your cell phone. 'Cause I've been practicing my lines, and you've been waiting up all night for me to call you. And it makes me sick inside to be calling you up this late at night, but that's what I do. You've been awaiting my return, and I've been equally concerned. Ooh, sleeping in the back of the van. In my lines, and you've been waiting up all night for me to call you. And it makes me sick inside to be calling you up this late at night. That's what I do. 'Cause there's only one thing on my mind. You up this late, I know. Falling in love is the best. To pass the best times of my life. Now this silence is cold, and every time we talk it's dull and awkward.